I'm Ashlyn and I am 7 and I am going to be in 3rd grade.
I'm Braylon, I'm 9, and I'm going to be in 5th grade when school starts.
I'm Devin and I just turned 5.
I'm Madison and I'm turning 10 and I'm going into 5th grade.
That's really good.
You know, it's good.
It's like banana.
Yeah, banana I taste. No, blueberry.
It's good.
Yes.
I love it. Yeah, I think it's spinach now. It tastes so good. I love pancakes. That's good.
I don't really know.
Are there bananas in here?
I don't really like the part with the bananas in it, so I'm not really a big fan with the bananas in it.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of yummy foods you can eat for breakfast.
I would have it for breakfast. I'm not a big fan of egg, but the bacon's good.
I'm not a big fan of ham, but I'm not really getting the egg part either, so I don't really know.
Good.
I like the banana one more. Just gives it more flavor.
My favorite thing so far is the smoothie.
Yeah, smoothie wins.